The Ratcheting Tube Bender Kit TB-100 is a durable hand tool designed to bend soft copper, aluminum, and coated soft copper, making it versatile for use in various installations such as sanitary and heating, floor heating, refrigeration and air conditioning, and hydraulic systems. The kit includes a variety of components such as one tubing bender, 2 fixed supports, 7 tube bender heads, 1 reverse bending tool, 1 pipe cutter, 1 inner-outer reamer, 1 pipe reamer, and a carrying box for convenient storage and transportation. The ergonomic design of the aluminum alloy replacement bender heads prevents pipe deformation, ensuring a solid and durable performance. The extra long handles of the bender increase leverage while swagging, reducing the force needed, and making it easier to use. The kit is suitable for a range of pipe sizes with 7 elbow diameter ranges from 1/4 of an inch to 7/8 of an inch, and a tubing cutter capacity from 3/16ths of an inch to 1 1/4 inches. The special reverse bender function allows for bending pipes in both forward and reverse configurations, adding to the tool's versatility and making it fit where others can't.